Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss new chapter. Chapter number 7, Algebraic Identities. In the previous class, you have learned multiplication of algebraic expression, monomials, binomials and trinomials. Monomials, binomials and trinomials. Monomials means monomials. It consists one term 5x, 7y, 5y3, etc. Only one term it contains. Binomial. It consists two terms 5x plus 7y, 3y, 5y plus 9. Two terms, one term and other term. It consists two terms. Trinomials. Trinomials, it consists three term x plus y plus z. Anything you can write 5x square plus 7x minus 12. It consists 1, 2, 3, three terms. Okay. Okay, now consider the following statement involving an algebraic expression. See here, 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. Putting different values of x and y in the place of x and y. x और y के जगह पर हम अलग अलग वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. Putting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. See LHS 4x plus 3y 4 into 2 plus 3 into 2. We will put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. After multiplication we get 14. But RHS is 10. 14 and 10 are not equal to each other. Then we can write LHS not is equal to RHS. We will take another value. Again putting x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. See again LHS is equal to, in this equation, 4x plus 3y 4 into 5 plus 3 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 3 3s are 9. We get 29. But RHS is 10. This is also not equal to each other. Therefore, we can write LHS is not equal to RHS. In both part, I have taken two different values for this equation and this equation. Again, we will take another value. Again, substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. We get LHS is equal to 4x plus 3y. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 4 plus 6. It means 10. RHS is also equal to 10. In this case, we see LHS is equal to RHS. Then we can say that from the above observation, we take three examples. X is equal to 1, 2 and before that. We observe that the statement is true only for this statement is true only for certain value of x and y. इसी x और इसी y के लिए दोनों का वैल्यू 10 आया. Hence we can say that a statement of equality which holds for all the values of the variables is called an identity. A statement of equality which holds for all the values of the variables is called an identity. Identity हम उसी समय कहेंगे कि x का कोई भी वैल्यू और y का वैल्यू पुट करे और दोनों का वैल्यू, इट मीन्स LHS and RHS will be same in every aspect. हर मायने में LHS और RHS इक्वल होगा तभी हम उस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इक्वलिटी को, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड एन आइडेंटिटी. बट 4x plus 3y is equal to 10 is not an identity. Is not an identity. Understand? Okay. Now in this chapter algebraic identities, I will be discussing the identities which arise as product of binomials. A plus b, a minus b, itself, with itself, a plus b with itself, a minus b with itself, and a plus b with a minus b. In this chapter, we will discuss the identities. So, let us start identities. One. Identity 1 means a plus b का whole square. The formula of a plus b का whole square, as you know, a square plus 2ab plus b square. But here we will discuss how this formula is formed. So see carefully. a plus b square of a plus b. It means a plus b का whole square. A plus b, you can write a plus b, a plus b. A plus b का whole square means a plus b into a plus b स्क्वायर. जैसे हम लोग 2 का होल स्क्वायर क्या लिखते हैं, 2 इंटू 2. उसी तरह से हम लोग a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर है तो a प्लस बी इंटू a प्लस बी लिखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट दिस a विल राइट हेयर एंड a प्लस बी. इस a से इस a प्लस बी को हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट you can write plus b, then you can multiply it with a plus b. And after that we will multiply a into a square, plus a into b, ab, plus b into a, ab, plus b into b, b square. And a square is ab, both term are same. That means like terms. Both are same, then you can write ab yani 2ab plus b square. And it is verified that a plus b square, how can you find the formula? This is called identity 1. Understand? Now we will take one example to understand identity 1. सबसे पहले मैं identity 1 लिख देता हूं so that you can understand it easily. A plus b whole square and a square plus 2ab plus b square. So example 1, we will take one example. Find 3x plus 4y whole square. Solution. First you will write this question. That is a and plus that is b and whole square. After that is a, so 3x is written in bracket and we will put a square, 3x square, plus see here formula 2ab, it means 2, that is a, and we will write 3x into b, b means b, 4y, plus b square, it means 4y whole square. Again understand it, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it means that is a plus b whole square. It means a square plus 2 into a into b plus b का whole square and multiply it. 3 2 जा 6, no, 3 3 जा 3 into 3, it means 9, and it is a variable, so we will write x square. Number multiplied itself, number multiply 3 with itself, 3 3 is a 9, and x multiplied by it, then we will write x square plus 2 into 3 6 4 is a 24, and xy both are different variable, so we will write xy plus 4 multiplied by itself, 4 4 is a 16, and y square. Clear? And again we will discuss Next example. So let us start worksheet 1. Question number 1 का 1. It is based upon identity 1, a plus b का whole square. So we will take first question. Two x plus 5 whole square, that is a plus b whole square. So we will write a square plus 2 into a into b plus b whole square, and after that multiply 2 multiplied itself, 2 2 is 4 x square, plus 5 2 is 10, 10 2 is 20 x, plus 5 5 is 25. Clear? Next question, question number 3. At first we will write question 3y5 plus a 2y3b and whole square. See solution. 3y5a plus 2y3b whole square, that is the question, and again we will write for the solution. That is a, that is b. 3y5a, that means a square plus 2 a into b 2ab plus b whole square. 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator, so multiply both terms, numerator and denominator also. 3 3 is a 9, 5 5 is a 25, and a square. You can cancel it. After that multiply 2 2 is a 4, 5 5 ab plus again 2 2 is a 4, 3 3 is a 9. Number which is in bracket multiplied by itself, 2 2 is a 4, 3 3 is a 9, and we can write b square. Clear? See the next question. 0.2x plus 1.5 whole square. So answer is, that is a plus b whole square. 0.2x whole square plus 2 into 0.2x into 1.5y plus 1.5y whole square. A square plus 2a into b plus b whole square. 0.04x square plus 0.6xy plus 2.25y square. Next question, question number 6. 2m square plus 3n square. Solution. 2m square plus 3n square by square whole square, that is treated as a, that is treated as b, a plus b whole square. So we will write, that is a, in bracket a, whole term is known as a square plus 2a, after that b 3n square plus b whole square, in the bracket that is treated as b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. After that 2 2 is 4, m square and square, m to the power 4 plus 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, m square n square plus 3 3 is 9, n to the power 4, n to the power 4. See clearly? Okay. See the next question, question number 2. 101 whole square. So answer 101 whole square. But it is a single term. लेकिन हम लोगों को आइडेंटिटी 1 यूज करना है. वी हैव टू यूज आइडेंटिटी 1. सो वी विल मेक 2 terms. 100 plus 1 whole square. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2 into A into B. A plus B. 2 into A into B. Plus B square. Always use identity 1. Worksheet 1 is total based upon identity 1. A plus B whole square. So 100 square means 40. 200 plus 1. 10201. Answer is. Next question number 3. 8.1 whole square. See carefully. 8.1 whole square. You will make 8 plus 0.1 whole square. A plus B whole square. That is A square plus 2 into A into B. 2AB plus B square. Understand? 8 8 is 64 plus 8 2 is 16. 1.6 plus 0.1 multiplied itself 0.01. After that 64 and 1 65.6 is the 10th place, and we will write 165.61. ओके, मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि आप लोग भी समझ रहे हैं. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.